Can we stay healthy by eating only fruits every day without any other food? No, that could not be good for our health. We need fruits, vegetables, food grains and nuts to stay strong and healthy. Plants give us all this and much more. Now let us learn in our lesson useful plants. What are the things the plants give us more than the food? Plants are very important in our life. Plants give us food to eat, fresh air to breathe, wood to build houses and many more things. Now, a lot of food we eat like fruits and vegetables, cereals and pulses and so many other goods come from the storehouse in the plants. Most of the food we eat comes from different parts of the plant's body, but all the parts of every plant or a tree are not edible. Animals also eat different parts of a plant. Apart from fruits and vegetables, we also get different grains and pulses from plants. We eat grains and pulses in some form or the other every day. Grains and pulses have to be cooked before eating. Grains and pulses are grown as crops. Crops are usually cultivated by farmers in huge fields and plantations. All the crops don't grow throughout the year. Different crops are grown in different seasons. Every season, the farmer plants and harvests new crops. Some crops like cocoa, sugarcane, coffee and tea undergo various processes before we can use them. Sugarcane is a giant grass. The stalk contains a sweet and juicy sap. We can peel and directly suck the natural juice. It is very tasty. Sugarcane is mostly used to make sugar and jaggery. We use herbs and spices to add flavor to our food. Cardamom, pepper, hing, jeera, cinnamon and fennel are some spices we find in every kitchen. Spices could be dried, seed, root, bark or fruit of plant. We also get oil from certain plants. Oil is used for cooking. Did you know that pencils are made up of wood? We use wood to construct our homes. Wood usually comes from branch or the trunk of the plant. Bigger plants, that is, trees, give stronger wood. Apart from the food and wood, we also get many products like rubber, gum, medicines and various fibers from plants. Rubber is used for making tires, pipes and many other things. Cotton and jute are two types of plant fibers. Neem, tulsi, turmeric and eucalyptus are used in making medicines. Not just this, even the paper you write in and the eraser you use are the products of these plants. Plants are not just useful to us, they are useful to the animals and birds too. Have you every day thought that even the fresh air you breathe is even given out by plants? That is why the air in garden and forest is so fresh. Plants and animals and people are dependent on each other. Woodpeckers feed on insects and drugs from trees, thereby keeping the trees healthy and free from insects' attack. Grasshoppers and crickets hide from their predator by taking cover in green and dry leaves, respectively. Hence, every plant is very important to us and the entire universe. Children, do you understood the lesson? How the plants are useful in many ways. So, save the plants. Don't cut the plants and save the plants and keep the world green and beautiful. Okay?